Hey everyone, so I'm pondering this. Why is it we wait till we're broken to fix ourselves? Think about it. We get regular maintenance on our cars. You know, we put the best gas in, we put the best oil in it, we wash it, we clean the outside, we make sure it all stays rust proof, it's perfect. We redo our kitchens before they become outdated or they break down. You get the idea. Our objects that are expensive, we do the preventative maintenance to keep them running strong before they break down. But a lot of us don't do that with our body. Why is that? You know, imagine a life where more people learned how to eat right before they got diabetes, so they wouldn't get diabetes. Or they started exercising before their bones got brittle, or they developed chronic heart disease, things of that nature. Imagine a world where we worried about preventative maintenance on our bodies just as much as we did on our expensive objects. Why do you think, here's my Wednesday pondering, why do you think we worry more about the preventative side of our objects and not ourselves? Let me know. If you got an answer to that, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching.